Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in, so start by opening Drive. Google, Com, or the Drive app now. Click New at the top left. This is where creation begins. Choose Folder to build structure first, or File Upload to add existing documents. Do this to avoid clutter later. Folders keep permissions and sharing cleaner. Once done, name folders clearly, use dates or project codes. Make sure to set a consistent naming convention now, because it saves time when you search or share. Now upload and organize. Drag and drop multiple files into folders, or use new file upload to import in bulk. If you want real-time collaboration, convert Office files to Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides while uploading. This enables version history and comments. Use color labels and stars to highlight priority items and nest folders for logical groupings. Once organized, apply consistent sharing settings per folder to avoid repetitive permission changes. This prevents accidental public access. Finish by sharing and syncing. Right-click a folder to set viewer, commenter, or editor access. Use link settings for broader distribution. Install Drive for desktop to sync local files automatically. Choose stream or mirror mode based on space. Once set, verify mobile syncing and offline access if needed. If something breaks, like a sync stall, restart the app, check your internet connection, clear cache, and reauthorize your Google account. These steps usually resolve permission or sync conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.